Alright, she's all laid out. Getting ready to get this assembly going. Oh yeah, it's stroker time. That's how it goes, just like that. Ran into a little bit of difficulties here. Seems like we got a little clearance issue. Going to have to notch the bottom of the block where this rod comes around. Just barely interfering with the block right there. Does it on both sides. So, can't mess with grinding on these bolts because it's a balanced assembly. So we're going to have to take this back apart and notch the block. Alright, we ground our first section out of the block, as you can see right there, without getting into the cylinder area. It's just the block part that we're removing. Alright, this motherfucker is notched. As you can see right there. Right there. We got all the cylinders notched out now. Alright, this is my Trailblazer engine. We had to do a little machining on the block last night after pre-assembly. As you can see, I had to notch the block right here. A little bit of rod clearance. Stroker kit's hitting the bottom edge. We got that all taken care of. We're going to get it all cleaned back up again and ready for reassembly. Alright, just got this thing back together. Rods are clearing the block now. Everything's turning. We're back on schedule.